if you see it from the other side, when you want to go out or if you have guests, you just see the back of your guests and you cannot even see what the kids are maybe up to.
You can see quite clearly when something's going on now. We've opened up this room.
Exactly, I love this. It's just a huge transformation.
It's a big transformation.
I did not think that one piece could actually make such a big difference.
They call me the Couch Whisperer. I help real people find real couches. Today's real person is Pascal. Pascal is a teacher and a single dad who has a busy lifestyle with 2 very young kids. And he came to me with a very specific set of criteria. He has an older house with these beautiful wood accents all over the place, and he needed furniture that was gonna follow suit. He also had this very interesting sectional in place that needed to be replaced because it was blocking the entire room, blocking the flow of the house, and not being able to see his children in the living room when he was in the kitchen was a problem. So he needed something affordable that was actually extremely good quality. He's from Germany, and that's a place where they really value great quality stuff. So the choice was clear for me. DreamSofa. DreamSofa is a made in Los Angeles brand that makes furniture the right way, the old-fashioned way, in a bench-made style. And they do it for a very affordable price. It's one of these hidden gems that architects and interior designers will go to get that super high-end Beverly Hills piece for a much more affordable price. Well, it just got delivered and I am very excited to check it out. Let's go inside. Hello, it's the Couch Whisperer, Pascal!
Hey Alex, how's it going?
What's up? How are you doing?
Good to see you.
You too. Wow, look at this.
I
The
know,
color's
right?
perfect.
I love it.
This is awesome.
Yeah,
are you
with the
happy?
brown and everything. Yeah,
Wow,
totally.
look at this room. Feels like a ship from like the 19th century with all of the wood everywhere. This is incredible. How did you find this place?
1911.
1911.
Was built up here, the whole street.
Really?
And most of the stuff is original from then.
That's so cool.
Yeah, this was one of the key factors why I decided for that.
That's awesome. Now, before we go any further, or even sit down, I think we need to explain, you have a little bit of an accent and you're aware of this, correct?
Yeah. At times I think I sound American, but every voicemail.
This couch is built to last a lifetime. So we're gonna talk more about that because I don't know how much you know. But first, let's sit down together. I want to see how this thing.
Take a seat. Enjoy.
Nice.
Soft. I love it.
Yes, that's the first thing I noticed. The fabric being super soft. This is one of their like performance velvet fabrics, which is great for kids, as I'm sure you already know because you have 2 young kids. Very stain resistant. Anything that spills on it, you can clean it right off. Have you had any spills yet?
Not yet, luckily, but it's about to come. I have 2 small kids, so.
Oh, it's coming.
It's just a matter of time.
It's just a matter of time. Other thing I noticed, just sitting down, these cushions, this is what they call the wave cushioning. It's a little bit firm, but it's also quite bouncy and has a nice give. Like, what was your first impression when you received it? Was this kind of what you expected the comfort to be? And you can be honest.
Yeah, no, I actually thought it would be way harder. But when I lay down, I actually fit on the couch. I thought the comfort was just right there because I like to cuddle with my kids on the couch. We like to lay down, but we of course sit up and play some board games as well.
What was this room before? What purpose does it need to serve? And then like, what challenge did we have?
This is the main activity area here for my family. You know, we come in, we sit down, we take off our shoes and we arrive at home. And for a long time, I was having this old, big sectional.
It was like a big leather, like reclining
Exactly,
sectional.
it was a hand-me-down, you know, as a young man, homeowner, you know, money was tight, so I took everything I could. I was living with this since for a while, but it just was so big and dark and it swallowed the whole atmosphere. At times when I'm in the kitchen, I couldn't even see what's going on over here because the sectional was just
it's just literally blocking.
creating a barricade.
Yeah,
Exactly.
it was a barricade. You can see quite clearly when something's going on now. We've opened up this room.
Exactly, I love this. You know, I can prepare a snack or make some food. I have them here playing some puzzles and I can see what's going on. It's super nice. It's opened up the whole area. It feels way lighter, way bigger. Yeah, it's just a huge transformation.
It's a big transformation.
I did not think that one piece could actually make such a big difference.
The first thing that I know was really important to you was just quality. Now, not only are you German, and German people love really good quality stuff, you've told me about some of the things you fixed up in this house and in your life. You're a fix-it kind of guy, am I wrong?
Exactly. I really don't like to buy new stuff. I think it comes from my mom that you can always repurpose and recycle kind of. I barely ever get rid of things. If I buy something and if I really like it, then I am willing to spend more on it.
That is why people come to DreamSofa.
Yeah.
the frame of the couch, you probably will never have to know this or worry about it, but it's kiln dried solid hardwood. So the frame of the couch is built to last like forever. In fact, I've sold similar couches to these for a long time. You don't really have frame problems. If you do, they have a lifetime warranty on all of the workmanship. So anything that you need, if something goes wrong, you can contact DreamSofa and they're gonna take care of it. They have amazing customer service and they like love talking about that. So you know that it's a company that prides itself in doing things for people and for their customers. You could definitely fit 4 kids on this. Let's go to opposite sides. I mean,
there's one.
Definitely 2 adults, 2 kids fit on this couch. The other thing I'll point out, now sit on the corner, you can totally sit on these arms. Now these are great because like if you have extra people over, having a little get together, some friends come over, like kind of creates another seating space, which I think is super cool about this style. These are 10-inch wide arms on the Monaco, and that's something I really love about it, that if you need to maximize space, sometimes thinking outside the box and using arms like this can really
Exactly, and it matches the little thicker details in the house, you know, which are made for sturdiness. So this couch just fits perfectly.
Before I go, this room is a little quiet. This is not how it normally is, am I wrong?
No.
You're a single dad, you got these 2 kids in here, and your mom is visiting from Germany now too, right?
Exactly, for the Christmas time, she's always coming over.
I wanna see what it looks like on a normal day here in your household. Okay, now everybody look at the camera and say, cheese, cheese.
Da, die Kamera.
Are you buying a new couch and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.